these birds. They're amazing. This is the bird hatchery by Cindy's house in Diamond Beach. Look at these birds. They are unbelievable. They're incredibly small. I think they were maybe just hatched. And now they're resting, and then they're going to fly around. They're so cool. All right, fly, babes. Here they go. Off they go. Off they go. Flying. Lovely. Unbelievable. Here they go. Look at that. 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 They must know I'm filming them because they're surrounding me.
Is that unbelievable? Aaron, look through these songs. Aaron, look, try these.
I hope you can see this on the screen the way I can see it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous bird.